What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video from Gray House, teaching you what's not taught in college. Today I want to go into practical email copywriting, but before I get into that, I need you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on further content. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave a comment. So what is copywriting? Copywriting is a process of writing advertising promotional materials. It includes anywhere from brochures, billboards, websites, emails, advertisements, catalogs, and much more. This is something I want you to broaden your view in if you're in marketing. If you're in marketing, I want you to know that there is a very, very high demand for copywriting. So now that we know what copywriting is, I want to show you exactly what not to do when you're copying or copywriting email. And today I'm going to be showing you exactly on how not to write an email. If you're trying to get money for providing services or a product, this is not the way to do it. Let's go ahead and get into it. So right here I got a email from this person named Alan Walker. So he says, "Hi, this is Amazon seller Alan. We are a new brand for kitchen and beauty product. We sincerely invite you to test our new product. We will refund full price via PayPal after leave us a review upon your product experience. We have essential oils, Dead Sea mud mask, lemon juicer kits, a lunch bag, snowball maker for snowball fight. If you are interested, we will send more information of the product you want to test. Sorry for the bother, Alan." This is probably one of the worst copy written emails I have ever seen in my life. So I want to lay a foundation of what you're supposed to do when you are writing copy. When you're writing copy, you want to make sure that you personalize an email. Right here it just says hi. So I don't know who this guy is. He doesn't make me feel like a human. He makes me feel as if he just wants to worry about my money just with this hi. Because you want to personalize it. Because you can't really see or feel the emotion when you're copywriting, you have to make people already feel that, especially when it's words on paper. So he tells me a little bit who he is, and he says that what the product or what his brand is, but he doesn't tell me on how this is providing me value. I don't know how this is going to make my life easier. The thing is, when you're copywriting, it's not, you want to make sure is, how is this going to better benefit my life? I don't know how it's going to better benefit my life. He hasn't told me that. So that is one of the biggest problems here between these two lines. Right here, I have no justification on how this is providing me value. So he requests for me to invite my new product and that he'll refund me full price via PayPal after leaving a review on my product experience. So one of the biggest problems is don't ever fall into the idea that you're going to get refunded, because one, for all I know, this could be spam, but also two is he hasn't reeled me in or even given me any kind of basis on what this guy is. Yeah, he may be kitchen and beauty products, but what's the name of his brand? He tells me what his industry is, but who is this guy? Who is this brand? Not only that, I literally have to take on the risk from PayPal or from however I'm supposed to pay this guy, because I have to leave a review. The thing is that when people want you to promote their brand, you don't need to buy their product. You do it either because you believe in the brand or because someone sends you something, so it's a non-biased review. That is one of the biggest problems here, is that this guy wants me to review his product for his promotion or for his business. And it's going to be biased because I have to buy it. And then he wants me to refund it. It's completely ridiculous. So he tells me exactly what he's selling. And although he still has not provided any justification on how this is benefiting my life, it's much better to put in visuals. Always put in a visual of the essential oils or the Dead Sea mud mask or lemon juice. I like to see exactly what I'm buying. And then he says, if I'm interested, this guy can't even spell interested, as you can see here, we will send more information on the product you want to test. Sorry for the bother, Alan. So one, you always want to make sure your grammar is at least 99.9% accurate. Of course, there's a couple of typos, but that's bound to happen. But you always want to make sure it's at least 99.9% accurate. And then he says, sorry for the bother. You never say sorry when you're doing email copywriting, because that's implying that you did something wrong. Of course, this guy did a lot wrong with this copying. It fucking sucks. But you never say that sorry for the bother. You never say that. This is essentially an example of how not to write copy, especially on email or in anything. To break it down, you want to make sure that you personalize it, you state who you are, what your brand is, and how this is going to benefit you. Although you invite our product, you want to make sure that there is some guarantee in an unguaranteed world, of course, but if you're asking for some promotion, this is not the way to do it. Always use visual effects when you have the option, and make sure that your grammar is part, and never ever state that you're sorry for anything. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope if that inspired you or kind of broadened your view on what email copywriting in the marketing world is. It's a very demanding industry, and it pays very, very well if you know exactly what you're doing. If you're looking to get into copywriting, go ahead, leave a comment down in the section, and don't forget to download my Improve Your Status Bundle Guide. And the one thing that's actually going to really help you is my Convert Traffic to Sales cheat sheet. That cheat sheet, it's really good. It's really compact. In about 30 minutes, you're literally going to get the broad overview on how to increase your sales. Granted, you also want to make sure to not forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram on my Gray House Consultant, Gray House Co. And guys, thank you very much for your support. Stay tuned. Take care.